Hello everyone, my name is Eric. In this video I want to teach you how to connect two normal maps and bake them to one single normal map. Without further ado, let's jump to Blender. As you can see, we have two normal maps. The first one normal map have this smooth transition between two sides. Second normal map has all those details like brick, but doesn't have this smooth transition. So now we want to connect those two normal maps and bake them. Let's start. First, disconnect this one here, Shift D to duplicate, Control color to color. The trick is with this node now, Shift A, search math, vector math, okay, leave it add, connect normal to the first slot, this one to the second one, and this one to normal, and boom, here we have two normal maps connected. With the strength value you can manipulate which normal map should be stronger. For this example I want the roughness on the bricks to be more stronger, so I will crank this up to 3. To bake normal map, remember to be in cycles. Let's add Shift A, image texture, press new, wall. You can change the resolution if you want. You can deselect the alpha if you have selected. Press OK. Remember to change color space to non-color. Now select the low poly mesh. Go to render properties, find bake, choose normal from the list, press bake. As you can see, our new normal map is baked. So let's remove this one, this. Let's connect color to color, normal to normal. And here we have our new normal map with all those extra details. On internet and even YouTube you can find many different solutions how to connect two normal maps and bake them to one single normal map. I choose this solution because in my opinion it is quite easy, and so far I didn't have any problems with that. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell and like button. Also share this video with your friends, and thank you very much.